Hi everyone, I am here again and again and again and again. I am Lady Liz Rosales, and for today's video, we will be making an egg benedict. So first thing we do is familiarize the ingredients needed for the procedure. These are butter, bread, vinegar, lemon juice, parsley, bacon, and egg. So first in the procedure is cooking the bacon. Heat a large skillet on medium-low heat. Add the strips of bacon or the slices of bacon. Slowly fry, turning occasionally until the bacon is browned on both sides. And if using strip bacon, much of the fat is rendered out about 10 minutes. Use tongs or a fork to remove the bacon from the pan. Set it on a paper towel to absorb the excess fat. So let's proceed to the guide questions. So first question we have here is, what is the measure of good eggs benedict and why? So the typical serving for an eggs benedict with 1 English muffin and 2 eggs has approximately 4 tablespoons of hollandaise sauce. This equates to 320 calories and 36 grams of fat. 20 of them are saturated in the sauce alone. Tack on another 10 grams of fat for 2 eggs, and this is very fat heavy meal. Next question we have here is, what is the significance of vortex effect in poaching egg? So the vortex method is the most popular method when poaching eggs. When most people think of poaching eggs, they usually visualize a swirling pot of water. So when the vortex method is used, the swirling water keeps the egg moving and prevents it from overcooking one side. With this method, we need to make sure the bottom of an egg doesn't overcook. Vortex method is used to cook egg properly and preventing it to overcook just one side of an egg. So next is poaching an egg. In a saucepan, bring water to boil and reduce to simmer. Add the vinegar. Then swirl the vinegared water briskly to form a vortex and slide in an egg. It will curl around and set to a neat round shape. Crack the egg in a small cup and gently ease it into the water. Then cook for 2 to 3 minutes, then remove with a slotted spoon. So the last question we have here is, explain the history of eggs benedict. Delmonico's in Lower Manhattan says on its menu that eggs benedict was first created in our ovens in 1860. One of its former chef, Charles Ranhofer, also published the recipe for eggs a la Benedict in 1894. In an interview recorded in the Talk of the Town column of the New Yorker in 1942, the year before his death, Lemuel Benedict, a retired Wall Street stockbroker, said that he had wandered into the Waldorf Hotel in 1894 and hoping to find a cure for his morning hangover, ordered buttered toast, poached eggs, crisp bacon, and a hooker of hollandaise. Oscar Cherky, the maitre de hotel, was so impressed with the dish that he put it to the breakfast and luncheon menus but substituted ham for the bacon and a toasted English muffin for the toast. Next is make the hollandaise sauce. First is boil water in a deep pan and reduce to simmer. The hollandaise sauce will be mixed over the warm bath. Add egg yolks and vinegar to the bowl and place it over the warm bath. Whisk the vinegar and egg mixture until creamy. Slowly incorporate the butter into the mixture using a balloon whisk to incorporate air and helps prevent the mixture from separating. Next is after mixing all butter, leave the hollandaise sauce to sit in the warm water bath. Next is toasting the English muffins. For this video, I just use ordinary bread for this. So first thing I do is put butter in the pan, then add or put the bread next. And lastly, assembling your eggs Benedict. To assemble, butter one side of the English muffin or the bread, top with 2 slices of bacon. You can trim the bacon to fit the muffin if you'd like or not. Put a poached egg on the top of the bacon, then pour some hollandaise over. Sprinkle some parsley over it all and serve at once. So this is the finished product. Mag-like, uy, nung sa ka ba?
Like, subscribe, yo.
Lami de.
Okay.
Kaloy, lami de. Lami.
Mas video dili. Murag